everyone, my name is Sheikh Madha Tabassum from 7th class in Citizen English Medium High School. Today we are going to present a script titled Breathe for Life. I am playing the role of narrator. These are my friends. Now they will introduce themselves.
I am Fatima playing a role of father.
I am Mubashira playing a role of mother.
I am Arfa playing a role of Riya.
I am Zeba playing a role of brother.
I am Suhana playing a role of kind person.
I am Zakira playing a role of pulmonologist.
I am Karishma playing the role of general physician.
I am Arshia playing a role of teacher.
Riya is a 12-year-old girl who is with her parents and elder brother.
Riya, let's go to the park and play running race.
Yes, exercise is good for health. Mom, we are going to park.
Okay, go carefully, come back soon.
Riya, why did you stop?
My chest feels tight and I am breathing very fast.
Okay, let's go to home.
Riya, what happened? Sit and breathe slowly.
She gets tired very quickly these days.
Maybe it is due to dust and smoke near our house.
We should consult a doctor immediately. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning, take your seats. What is your name?
I am Riya.
Okay, what is your problem?
I feel chest tightness and coughing, doctor.
Turn back. These are symptoms of asthma that needs to be diagnosed through some tests.
What tests are required?
Pulmonary function test and chest x-rays and allergy tests.
What will be the cost of this test, doctor?
The total cost of the diagnosis and treatment will be around 25,000 rupees.
Can you treat her here, doctor?
I am a general physician. For detailed diagnosis and treatment, you should consult a specialist.
Which specialist, doctor?
I suggest one pulmonologist. Meet Dr. Priya.
We want proper treatment, but the tests are expensive.
Health is important. We must find support for diagnosis.
The increased cost of medical tests worried Riya's parent.
Ramesh sir, doctor advised advanced test for asthma.
Yes, asthma cases are rising due to air pollution.
The diagnosis cost is very high for us.
Oh, wait a second. Scientific treatment is necessary. Take this help.
Thank you, sir.
As a society, we must reduce pollution to reduce such diseases.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Take your seat.
Hi, Riya. I specialize in lungs and asthma problems.
Riya, do you feel breathing difficult when you are playing?
Yes, doctor.
This happens because asthma narrows the airways in your lungs.
These are tests, doctor.
These tests are important to identify the triggers and control the asthma scientifically. You no need to worry about asthma. I will prescribe some medicines. Use these medicines and come after 1 month.
Thank you, doctor.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, children. Sit down. How are you? We are fine, thank you, ma'am. So today's our lesson is air pollution and respiratory diseases. Pollutants like smoke and particulate matter enter our lungs.
Ma'am, I have asthma. Is it permanent?
Asthma can be controlled with medicines and a clean environment.
How can we reduce air pollution, ma'am?
By planting trees, avoiding burning waste and reducing vehicle smoke. By planting trees, trees absorb harmful gases and improve air quality. Do not burn garbage, leaves or plastic as it produce harmful smoke. Use bicycles or walk for short distance to reduce vehicle smoke. Students, spread awareness among people about keeping the air clean. Very good, children. Remember, clean air is our right and our responsibility.
Thank you, ma'am, for all the steps.
Very good.
Trees are natural air filters.
Stop pollution, protect the life. Breathe clean, live healthy.
Protect nature to protect life.
Protect nature to protect health.
Reduce smoke, increase oxygen.
Clean air is equal to healthy lungs. Science says clean air saves life.
Plant trees for better breathing.
Air pollution causes asthma.
We live in and trees and keep our surroundings clean.
I can breathe better now.
Understanding science helped us to take right step.
Clean environment and medical care make her healthy again.
Thank you.